The IoT ecosystem took a giant step towards the predicted 50 billion connected devices last week when oneM2M unveiled its landmark specification, Release 2. Based on contributions from more than 200 member companies right across the world, Release 2 builds on previous work to significantly raise the number of devices that can seamlessly connect with each other. The launch of Release 2 came on the eve of an ETSI Workshop on IoT and M2M, and we're here to find out from some of the key players in IoT why Release 2 is so important.
So Release 2 is very important for the development of IoT because it gives us some functionalities needed for IoT federation, such as semantics functionalities and also device abstraction layers, which enables to work and implement every use cases of IoT, such as smart home, smart city, etc.
Within Parrot Things, we introduced two new oneM2M Release 2 features, which are data models and management. So it helps our customer to collect the data, and also it increases the security of the things.
The killer feature in Release 2 is semantic, to reach a common vocabularies for IoT, to describe a device, to describe how we can manipulate the device and also the data generated and consumed by the device. So we can reach interoperability at the level of communication, but also at the level of semantic.
A key feature in Release 2 of oneM2M is semantics. Before, the applications had to agree a priori on everything, basically. With Release 2, we can semantically annotate resources and also find new resources. So for IoT applications, like in smart cities, that's important because you will have multiple applications that need to find a lot of resources, and with that you get the necessary dynamics to do this.
Release 2 is very important to CDOT because they have introduced various changes across the CSF, and the security CSF is very important. They have introduced various changes, like the older aspect or the older release was not very friendly or very scalable. The new approach, they are using authorization flag or authorization, which is dynamic authorization actually, so you don't need to read data back again and again. So the new flag is very friendly or very scalable.
oneM2M is very significant for us to construct the IoT platforms.